In today's video, I'm going to teach you creating a pie chart in Google Sheets. A pie chart is perfect when you want to compare parts of a whole at a glance, such as how different products contribute to total sales. Start by organizing your data in two adjacent columns. Put your categories in the first column, like product names or regions, and place the corresponding numeric values in the second column, such as sales or counts. Add clear headers at the top of each column so the chart knows what to label. Before moving on, make sure the values are numbers, not text, and avoid blank rows in the middle of your list. Both can confuse the chart. Next, drag to select your entire data range, including those headers. With the range highlighted, go to the Insert menu and choose Chart. Google Sheets will generate a chart automatically, and it may start as a column chart. That's expected. Look to the Chart Editor panel that opens on the right. Under the Setup tab, open the Chart Type dropdown and switch it to Pie Chart. Instantly, your data is visualized as slices that together add up to 100%. Now customize it so the story is clear. Switch to the Customize tab in the Chart Editor. Under Pie Slice, you can change individual slice colors to match your brand or to highlight key items. Turn on data labels to show values, percentages, or both so viewers can read the chart without hovering. Tweak the chart title to something descriptive and adjust the legend position or font size to improve readability, especially if you have many categories. If your data lives across multiple sheets, consolidate it first into a summary on one sheet using formulas. For example, XSUM sheet 1BB, and then chart that summary. This keeps your pie chart linked to live data while staying simple. Place the chart where it's easiest to read, click the chart and drag to move it or drag the corners to resize. Give yourself enough space so labels don't overlap. If you're maintaining this over time, consider using data validation dropdowns in your category column to keep names consistent and avoid duplicates. And that's it. You entered clean data, inserted a chart, switched it to a pie, and refined the colors, labels, and layout for clarity. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Sheets tips and tutorials.